2022, a year of pain and strength. But if you do what you love, nothing can stop you. A year of full-scale war in Ukraine, relocations, blackouts, and other difficulties aim to break us. How happened it didn't? The answer is teamwork. We work to stay dedicated to our clients, to overcome fears, and to be a good team no matter how far we were. But most of all, we continued to launch new products. During this period, 4 new cloud applications were released. We now have over 6,000 active installations of our applications. We didn't plan to win some awards last year or before, it just happened. And we are proud and happy to share this accomplishment. SaaSJet is Atlassian Partner of the Year 2022 in the Cloud Apps category. Thank you for choosing our skyrocketing apps for Jira Cloud.